start by understanding what automation really means. Automation is the use of technology to perform tasks with minimal human intervention. It can range from simple repetitive actions like setting up automatic email replies to complex systems that control entire factories. The main goal of automation is to increase efficiency, reduce errors, and free up time for more creative or strategic work. As we move forward, you'll see how automation is already a part of your daily life, often in ways you might not even notice. So let's dive deeper into the world of automation and see how it shapes our routines. Automation isn't just for factories or big businesses. In fact, you probably encounter it every day. Think about your morning routine. Your coffee machine might start brewing at a set time, your thermostat adjusts the temperature automatically, and your phone sends you reminders without you lifting a finger. These small conveniences are all powered by automation. They help make our lives smoother and more predictable, allowing us to focus on what matters most. As we continue, we'll explore how these everyday examples are just the tip of the iceberg when it comes to automation's potential. Automation has a rich history that stretches back centuries. Early examples include watermills and windmills, which used natural forces to perform work. The Industrial Revolution marked a turning point, introducing machines that could mass-produce goods with minimal human input. Over time, automation evolved from mechanical systems to electronic and digital solutions. Today, we see automation in everything from manufacturing lines to smart homes. Understanding this history helps us appreciate how far we've come and where we're headed next in the journey of automation. There are several types of automation, each serving different purposes. Fixed automation is used for high-volume production like car manufacturing. Programmable automation allows for changes in product design, making it ideal for batch production. Flexible automation, on the other hand, can handle a variety of tasks with minimal reconfiguration. By understanding these types, we can better appreciate how automation adapts to different industries and needs. Next, we'll look at how these types are applied in real-world scenarios. Manufacturing is perhaps the most well-known area where automation has made a huge impact. Robots and automated assembly lines have transformed how products are made, increasing speed and consistency while reducing costs. These systems can work around the clock, performing tasks that would be repetitive or dangerous for humans. As a result, manufacturers can produce goods more efficiently and at a higher quality. This revolution in manufacturing has set the stage for automation to expand into other fields as well. Automation isn't limited to factories. In modern offices, software automation handles tasks like scheduling meetings, sorting emails, and generating reports. These tools help employees focus on more meaningful work by taking care of repetitive or time-consuming tasks. For example, automated workflows can route documents for approval or trigger reminders for important deadlines. As office automation becomes more advanced, it continues to boost productivity and streamline business operations. Smart home technology is a great example of automation in our personal lives. Devices like smart lights, thermostats, and security systems can be programmed to operate automatically based on your preferences. Imagine your lights turning on as you enter a room, or your thermostat adjusting itself to save energy while you're away. These conveniences not only make life easier but can also help save money and improve security. As smart home technology evolves, automation will play an even bigger role in our daily routines. Retailers and e-commerce platforms use automation to enhance the shopping experience. Automated inventory systems track stock levels and reorder products when needed. Chatbots assist customers with questions, while personalized recommendations are generated based on browsing history. These tools help businesses operate more efficiently and provide better service to customers. As automation continues to advance, shopping will become even more seamless and tailored to individual needs. Healthcare automation is making a significant difference. Automated systems manage patient records, schedule appointments, and even assist in diagnosing illnesses. Robots can help with surgeries, ensuring precision and reducing recovery times. These advancements free up medical professionals to focus on patient care, improving outcomes and efficiency. As technology progresses, automation will continue to transform healthcare, making it more accessible and effective for everyone. Automation is revolutionizing transportation. Self-driving cars, automated trains, and drones are changing how we move people and goods. These technologies promise safer, more efficient travel and delivery. For example, automated systems can monitor traffic and adjust routes in real time, reducing congestion and saving fuel. As these innovations become more widespread, transportation will become faster, safer, and more reliable for everyone. Banking and finance industry relies heavily on automation. Automated teller machines, ATMs, online banking, and fraud detection systems all use automation to provide faster, safer services. Algorithms can process transactions, monitor accounts for unusual activity, and even offer investment advice. This not only improves security but also makes financial services more accessible to people around the world. Automation is transforming agriculture, making farming more efficient and sustainable. Automated tractors, drones, and irrigation systems help farmers monitor crops, apply fertilizers, and harvest produce with precision. These technologies reduce labor costs and increase yields, ensuring a stable food supply. As automation continues to advance, agriculture will become even more productive and environmentally friendly. Customer service has evolved with automation. Chatbots and automated phone systems handle routine inquiries, freeing up human agents for more complex issues. These systems can provide instant responses, improving customer satisfaction and reducing wait times. As artificial intelligence improves, automated customer service will become even more helpful and personalized. Education is also benefiting from automation. Online learning platforms use automation to grade assignments, track progress, and personalize learning experiences. Teachers can use these tools to identify students who need extra help and tailor lessons accordingly. This makes education more efficient and accessible, helping students learn at their own pace. Entertainment industry uses automation in many ways. Streaming platforms recommend shows based on your viewing habits, while automated editing tools speed up video production. Even live events use automation for lighting and sound control. These innovations make entertainment more engaging and accessible, offering personalized experiences for every viewer. Data is at the heart of automation. Automated systems collect, analyze, and act on data to make decisions in real time. For example, businesses use data-driven automation to optimize marketing campaigns or manage inventory. This ability to process vast amounts of information quickly gives organizations a competitive edge and helps them respond to changing conditions more effectively. Cloud technology has made automation more accessible than ever. Cloud-based automation tools allow businesses to manage resources, deploy applications, and scale operations with ease. These systems can automatically adjust to demand, ensuring reliability and cost savings. As more organizations move to the cloud, automation will continue to drive innovation and efficiency. Security is a top priority for both individuals and organizations. Automation plays a crucial role in protecting data and systems. Automated security tools can detect threats, respond to incidents, and enforce policies without human intervention. This helps prevent breaches and ensures that sensitive information remains safe. As cyber threats evolve, security automation will become even more important. Automation can also help protect the environment. Smart systems manage energy use, reduce waste, and monitor pollution. For example, automated lighting and heating systems save energy in buildings, while automated recycling plants sort materials more efficiently. These innovations contribute to a more sustainable future by reducing our environmental impact. While automation offers many benefits, it also presents challenges. One major concern is job displacement, as machines take over tasks previously done by humans. There are also issues related to security, privacy, and the need for new skills. Addressing these challenges requires careful planning and a commitment to helping workers adapt to the changing landscape. Automation is reshaping the future of work. While some jobs may disappear, new opportunities will emerge in areas like programming, maintenance, and system design. Workers will need to develop new skills to thrive in an automated world. Lifelong learning and adaptability will be key to success as automation continues to evolve. Ethical considerations are important when implementing automation. Decisions about which tasks to automate, how to protect privacy, and how to ensure fairness must be made thoughtfully. Organizations should strive to use automation in ways that benefit society as a whole, balancing efficiency with responsibility. Automation drives innovation by freeing up time and resources for creative problem-solving. When routine tasks are automated, people can focus on developing new ideas and improving existing processes. This leads to breakthroughs in products, services, and business models, fueling progress across industries. Small businesses can benefit greatly from automation. Affordable tools help manage inventory, process payments, and market products online. By automating routine tasks, small business owners can focus on growth and customer relationships. As technology becomes more accessible, automation will level the playing field for businesses of all sizes. On a personal level, automation can boost productivity. Tools like calendar apps, task managers, and smart reminders help you stay organized and on track. By automating repetitive chores, you can free up time for hobbies, learning, or relaxation. Embracing automation in your daily life can lead to better work-life balance and greater satisfaction. Communication has been transformed by automation. Email filters sort messages, chatbots answer questions, and scheduling tools coordinate meetings. These systems help us stay connected and informed without being overwhelmed by information. As communication tools become smarter, automation will continue to enhance how we interact with others. Logistics and supply chain management rely on automation to move goods efficiently. Automated warehouses use robots to pick and pack items, while tracking systems monitor shipments in real time. These innovations reduce errors, speed up delivery, and lower costs, making global trade more reliable and responsive. Marketing teams use automation to reach customers more effectively. Automated email campaigns, social media scheduling, and targeted ads help businesses connect with the right audience at the right time. These tools analyze data to optimize campaigns, ensuring better results with less effort. Scientists use automation to conduct experiments, analyze data, and manage research projects. Automated lab equipment speeds up discoveries and reduces the risk of human error. This allows researchers to focus on interpreting results and developing new theories, accelerating the pace of scientific progress. The construction industry is adopting automation to improve safety and efficiency. Drones survey sites, robots lay bricks, and automated machinery handles heavy lifting. These technologies reduce the risk of accidents and speed up project completion, making construction safer and more cost-effective. Automation is changing the way food is produced and delivered. Automated kitchens prepare meals, robots package products, and delivery drones bring food to your door. These innovations make food production more efficient and help ensure safety and quality for consumers. The energy sector uses automation to manage power grids, monitor usage, and optimize production. Smart meters and automated controls help balance supply and demand, reducing waste and lowering costs. As renewable energy sources become more common, automation will play a key role in integrating them into the grid. Real estate professionals use automation to streamline property management, schedule showings, and process paperwork. Automated systems can match buyers with properties, send notifications, and handle contracts electronically. This makes buying, selling, and managing real estate faster and more convenient for everyone involved. Travel has been transformed by automation. Online booking systems, automated check-ins, and smart luggage tracking make trips smoother and less stressful. These tools help travelers save time and avoid common hassles, making travel more enjoyable and accessible. Legal industry is adopting automation to handle routine tasks like document review, case management, and scheduling. Automated tools help lawyers focus on complex legal work, improving efficiency and reducing costs for clients. As automation advances, legal services will become more accessible and affordable. Insurance companies use automation to process claims, assess risk, and manage policies. Automated systems speed up approvals and reduce errors, making it easier for customers to get the coverage they need. These tools also help insurers detect fraud and improve customer service. Human resources departments use automation to streamline hearing, onboarding, and employee management. Automated systems screen resumes, schedule interviews, and track performance. This allows HR professionals to focus on building a positive workplace culture and supporting employee growth. Maintenance teams use automation to monitor equipment, schedule repairs, and predict failures. Sensors and automated alerts help prevent breakdowns and reduce downtime. This proactive approach keeps systems running smoothly and extends the life of valuable assets. Artists and designers use automation to enhance creativity and productivity. Automated tools can generate patterns, suggest color schemes, or even create digital artwork. These innovations help artists experiment with new ideas and bring their visions to life more efficiently. Sports teams use automation to analyze performance, manage schedules, and enhance training. Automated video analysis helps coaches identify strengths and weaknesses, while smart equipment tracks player stats. These tools give athletes and teams a competitive edge, improving results on and off the field. Managing personal finances is easier with automation. Budgeting apps track spending, automated savings plans set aside money, and bill payments happen automatically. These tools help people stay on top of their finances and achieve their financial goals with less effort. Researchers use automation to collect data, run simulations, and analyze results. Automated tools speed up the research process and reduce the risk of errors. This allows scientists to focus on interpreting findings and making new discoveries, advancing knowledge in their fields. Social media platforms use automation to moderate content, schedule posts, and analyze engagement. These tools help users and businesses manage their online presence more effectively. As social media continues to grow, automation will play an even bigger role in shaping how we connect and communicate online. Home security systems use automation to monitor for intruders, alert homeowners, and even contact authorities. Smart cameras, sensors, and alarms work together to keep homes safe around the clock. These systems provide peace of mind and make it easier to protect your property. As we've seen, automation touches nearly every aspect of our lives. From the workplace to our homes, it brings efficiency, convenience, and new opportunities. The future of automation promises even more innovation, but also requires us to adapt and learn. By embracing automation thoughtfully, we can create a world that is not only more productive but also more fulfilling for everyone.